Welcome to my new video. This is Techno 528, as you can see, and today I want to show you just a little work. And in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the keypad buttons of Techno 528. Now the first thing you do, you are going to clean up the old gum on the phone panel, and you are going to use razor to do it. But please, engineers, be careful so that you don't break some of these capacitors and resistors on the phone panel if you are using any other phone panel, and including this Techno 528 also. You are going to be very careful so that you don't use your razor and break them off, or the keypad light. So you have to be careful in the direction you are using the razor on the panel. So watch me carefully. Now I'm going to fast forward this video a bit so that it doesn't take our time. So now you clear all the old gum from the phone panel or phone PCB. So you can see I'm almost done. I'm almost done with the work. I'm almost done with the work. So you can see it is clean from the old gum. Now you can see you get a new cutting board. So now you're going to get your chemical. Like mine, I'm using foil like this. This is foil I'm using. So you're going to take your hanky, take a handkerchief, a clean one, and then clean the phone panel, the button area. You're going to clean it like this. Clean it very well. Clean it very well, and be careful of the capacitors, resistors, and any other component on the phone PCB. So you take a little paste, apply it to the buttons, all of them round, and then you use your hanky again to also wipe it off again. Take your hanky and clean the paste from off the phone buttons. You can see how shiny it is. The aim of the paste is to let the button be clean and do away with any other residue on it. So now you take your cutting board like this, dip it in the chemical, and then you clean the keys one after the other. Clean it very well, one after the other. You can see, clean it one after the other. Do it. Be careful. Do a good work for your customer. This engineer now use the other side and then reclean it again so that any other debts left on top will be done away with. You can see I'm done. So now you're going to return the chemical back into the bottle and cover it. So now you take your gum like this, and then you apply it accordingly as you are seeing in this video. Don't allow it to get to the keys on that nylon there. Don't allow the gun to get in contact with the keys so that it doesn't disturb any of the buttons. So you apply it carefully. Apply the gum carefully. Okay? Apply it carefully, accordingly, one after the other, line by line, keys by keys. Okay? Apply it. Apply, be careful so that it doesn't get in contact with any of the keys. Okay? Apply it. Apply it. You can see I'm almost done. I'm almost done, my dear technician. I'm almost done. You can see I'm done now. I'm done. So now the next thing now is to place it. Place, this is where some people make the mistake. Please let this hole match the point on the keypad. So now let's place it. We're placing it now. You can see it is perfectly placed so that there won't be any error. Yeah, you can see, so that the buttons will not also be operating itself. Because when you don't place it well, it will be operating itself. So ensure you place it well. Now let's power our phone. You can see. So now we're going to cover it with the casing so that we can test the button one after the other. You can see. Let's test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see it is working very perfectly. So see you again in my next video. Bye for now.